Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hydro Flask Straws is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Hydro Flask owner, ensuring you can easily sip your favorite beverages on the go without compromising on convenience or style. If you've ever found yourself struggling with a worn-out or missing straw lid, then you know how crucial it is to have a reliable replacement that fits perfectly and functions flawlessly, maintaining the integrity of your insulated bottle and preventing any unwanted leaks or spills during your daily adventures. Number 5. DBIW Hydro Flask Wide Mouth Replacement Lid. Stay hydrated with ease. This lid is designed for maximum flow, allowing you to drink easily with just one hand. Its secure gasket ensures it's completely leak-proof, so you can toss it in your bag without worry. This premium replacement lid is designed to fit your wide-mouth bottles perfectly. It's compatible with popular brands like Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermoflask, ensuring a great fit for your favorite water bottle. Enjoy safe and mess-free drinking. Simply twist the cap to open for a smooth sip and close it tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, providing a steady stream without any spills. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is safe for your health and built to last. The wide mouth design makes sipping and cleaning easy. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe for simple maintenance. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our upgraded spout opens with just a half turn for quick, one-handed drinking. It aligns seamlessly with your bottle for a sleek, unified look, making it a perfect replacement lid. What we like? This lid is designed for maximum flow and a 100% leak-proof seal, making hydration effortless. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use option for your wide-mouth bottle that offers convenience for workouts or commutes, this is a great choice. Its superior gasket design ensures you can toss it in your bag without worry. What people say. The straws are a perfect fit for my Hydro Flask. They are easy to clean and durable. The flow rate is good and it doesn't leak. Number 4. Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid. Introducing the Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid, designed for your modern lifestyle. It's the perfect accessory for your insulated sports water bottle. This lid is specifically designed to fit all narrow and standard mouth bottles from Iron Flask. Enjoy a secure and perfect fit with every use. Each package includes 2 lids, for straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. Everything you need to keep your hydration on the go. It's easy to carry and drink from, offering both straw and sports lid options. Simply adjust it to your preference for convenient hydration. Crafted from quality, BPA-free materials, this lid ensures safe and healthy hydration. It's built for durability and your peace of mind. Worry less about spills. Our lids are designed to stay firmly secure on your favorite water bottle, preventing any leaks. What we like? This option offers great value with multiple lids, straws, and cleaning brushes included. If you have an Iron Flask narrow mouth bottle and want a versatile lid that can function as both a straw lid and a sports lid, this is ideal. It stays on tight, giving you peace of mind during active use. What people say. The straws are a perfect fit for my Hydro Flask, and they don't leak. I love that these straws are easy to clean and durable. The flow rate is great, and they don't make any weird noises when I drink. Number 3. 6-pack Tritan Replacement Straws for Stanley 40-ounce Tumbler. These replacement straws are precisely 12 inches long, designed to perfectly fit your Stanley 40-ounce tumbler. They reach the bottom of your cup, ensuring you can enjoy every last drop of your beverage. Crafted from premium, BPA-free Tritan material, these straws are built to last. They are crystal clear, odorless, and resist cracking or bending, offering a glass-like appearance without the fragility. Keeping your straws clean is simple with the included long, flexible brush. They are also top-rack dishwasher safe, making daily hygiene maintenance a breeze. This convenient 6-pack is ideal for daily use at home or in the office. You'll always have a clean straw ready to go, perfect for individuals or families. Designed to fit securely in standard car cup holders, these straws are perfect for your commute or road trips. They are also sturdy enough for your gym bag, hiking adventures, or beach outings. Experience the pure taste of your favorite drinks, from iced coffee to smoothies, without any plastic aftertaste. These reusable straws are designed for thousands of uses, helping you reduce plastic waste. Enjoy effortless cleaning with top-rack dishwasher safety. They also provide a secure seal with your tumbler lid, helping to minimize leaks during use. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you own a Stanley 40-ounce tumbler and need precise replacements. Made from highly durable, BPA-free Tritan material, these straws offer a crystal-clear, odorless drinking experience. If you're looking for a bulk pack to ensure you always have a clean straw ready for your daily iced coffee or smoothies, this 6-pack is perfect. What people say. The straws fit perfectly and don't leak. Easy to clean and durable. The flow rate is good, not too fast or too slow. Number 2. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth Replacement Straw Lid. Engineered for your daily adventures, this replacement lid offers a sturdy handle and a snug fit. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, perfect for replacing old or lost lids on your standard mouth bottle. Enjoy effortless sipping with our one-hand flip-top design, ideal for any activity. The soft, BPA-free straw provides comfort, and the convenient finger loop makes carrying easy. This lid is designed to fit Hydro Flask Standard Mouth, Simple Modern Ascent, and Clean Canteen Classic bottles. Please ensure your bottle opening is compatible before purchasing. Each purchase includes 2 long straws and a cleaning brush. The straws can be trimmed to your preferred length for a custom fit, offering great value. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, it's safe for everyone. Our customer support is ready to assist with any questions, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This lid is engineered for standard mouth bottles and offers effortless one-handed operation with its smooth flip top. If you lead an active lifestyle and need to sip water easily while running, cycling, or working, this is the lid for you. The soft, BPA-free mouthpiece ensures comfort with every sip. What people say. The straws are a perfect fit for my Hydro Flask. Easy to clean and durable. The flow rate is excellent, not too fast or too slow. Number 1. DBIW Straw Lid for Wide Mouth Hydro Flask. This lid is designed to fit your wide mouth bottles perfectly, offering a superior sipping experience. It's the ultimate replacement for your original lid. Enjoy easy one-handed drinking with the secure flip-top design. The integrated loop makes carrying your bottle effortless, wherever you go. Get amazing value with this complete 2-pack set. It includes everything you need, making it the most cost-effective solution for replacement lids. Our extra-long straws can be trimmed to ensure a perfect fit for any compatible bottle size. This guarantees an optimal sip every time. Don't replace your entire bottle, just the lid. This functional replacement is engineered to work with your favorite wide-mouth bottles from top brands. What we like. This 2-pack straw lid set provides incredible value for wide-mouth bottles, serving as a universal replacement for many popular brands. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh your hydration gear and want a comfortable, food-grade silicone mouthpiece for a superior sipping experience, this bundle is an excellent choice. It's perfect for ensuring you always have a spare lid or for outfitting multiple bottles. What people say. The straws are a perfect fit for my Hydro Flask. Easy to clean and durable. The flow rate is great, not too fast or too slow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.